Hi, everybody. I just wanted to check in, say hello. Hopefully you've been taking a look at the different posts that I put up in Classroom. If you haven't, now is a good time to start taking a look at Classroom as we are going to be going to our virtual learning next week, which I'm kind of excited about. I've really missed you guys. So at least if I can see you virtually, that's better than nothing. But I am excited to get back in the classroom whenever that may be. These are kind of unprecedented times, but we know that what we're doing is for the good of our loved ones, ourselves, our community. So if this is what we have to do, then unfortunately this is what we have to do. But we do always make the best of every situation. So I wanted to take a couple moments just to kind of reconnect, tell you what's been going on at least in the Panzarella household, which hasn't been too much. Practicing social distancing, I haven't really gone out very much except for groceries once, but that doesn't mean you can't go out into the woods. So we really like to hike, so we've been hiking, taking walks around the neighborhood. There's a goat farm to our right and a sheep farm to our left. So it's been really fun getting to see the animals every day. Let me know in an email, kind of give a shout out what you've been up to. Hopefully you found something to occupy your time that you've liked. Maybe it's a hobby, maybe it's been different books, but hopefully you have found some positive in all of this. So one of the things that I wanted to show you is where we're going to be going this week. So you're going to be seeing something called a playlist from all of your teachers. And within the playlist, you're going to have kind of a day-by-day activity kind of checklist. So for me, you will have videos and links, and everything is kind of well laid out in terms of what you need to do, what is due, who has what. So hopefully you're seeing that. But the very first thing that you're going to see, and one of the things that I just wanted to address now, is that on Monday we are going to pick up where we left off. So if we want to kind of scroll in here, and you already kind of started to see it in Google Classroom. The Friday before you left, we did finish up with the lab portion of the projectile motion lab. But you did have some follow-up questions within that packet. So if you didn't finish that packet, hopefully you had finished it, at least within the last 2 weeks. If you didn't finish it, now's the time to, because on Monday, if you didn't already do your Flipgrid, which some of you did, which is great, thank you for already doing that. But if you didn't already do your Flipgrid, you will have to do that. So if we scroll down just a little bit, we see that on March 11th, that's when the Flipgrid was posted. So don't forget that you can just click there and you'll log in. And then we see spring 2020 academic physics. And don't forget that we are looking at all 3 of the projectile motion topics. So if we go scroll over here to 3 topics, we will click on that. And then you'll see topic 1, topic 2, and topic 3. So if we just click topic 1, don't forget that you will hit this record a response and you will answer these questions. So that'll be one of the things that you do on Monday if you haven't done it already. You will also participate in your virtual discussion board, again, if you haven't done so already, where you will respond to 3 different people from all 3 different sections. So 1 person from section 1, 1 person from section 2, and 1 person from section 3. And you'll click on your block's discussion board. So we see that it is linked right there. Your directions are within that link. You have an example, and some of your classmates have already started, so you can take a look at theirs as well. And pretty much all you're going to do is say, what is your name? What are you responding to? And then you will further the conversation. So this is all stuff that we kind of started before the school closed down. And then the very last thing, you will be turning in that packet. So that's what you saw posted to Classroom as an assignment. Because this was done the last 2 days before we left, this will count as your final grade for marking period 3. And again, I'm not concerned if you are right or if you're wrong. I'm just concerned that you put an effort and that you answered every question to the best of your ability, providing as much explanation as possible. So what you're going to do And we see here the turn into classroom. You will see that for each day if you have to turn anything in or really just the directions. Is you will take a photo of each page of your packet. The entire packet should be done. So you will take a picture of each page, and you can either directly upload those pictures to the assignment, or you can upload them to a document and then upload that document. Please make sure that your photos aren't blurry, because I do need to be able to read everything that's in there. So in Classroom, you would have saw this pop up. So Alicia Panzarella posted a new assignment. Some of you have already done this, which is great, but you'll just click in there and then you can upload what you need to upload. I also have in the playlist that you will see, I believe this is going to roll out Friday or Monday morning, but you will see it. You can also click on the direct link to your classroom, and then this will bring you to your assignment. So that you'll see kind of a lot in this playlist, as I have direct links to everything. So that's just kind of looking ahead for Monday. If you haven't done some of these things already before you left, that's what you're going to be doing on Monday, just finishing that up. Please make sure to not move on Monday. Don't already watch the big picture video. That kind of defeats the whole purpose of doing the Flipgrid and doing the discussion. So that's kind of where we are right now. Please email me if you have any questions, and really just email if you want to reach out. Like I said, I miss you guys, and I miss kind of the discussions and the banter. So if you have anything that you want to share, please feel free to do that via email. You will be seeing a lot of videos like this as we continue through, and all of them will be embedded within this playlist. So you'll have an overview for the week, you'll have a video each day, and then any notes that I would have typically done in the classroom. I have my own whiteboard in my office that I have at home, and I will just do it on the whiteboard there and record it. So I appreciate your flexibility with all of this. You know, there are going to be bumps along the way, but everybody's going to come out much stronger from this. So email me if you have any questions, comments, concerns, smart remarks, just like normal, and I look forward to seeing you soon.